Take a ride in the 2022 Blazer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, Stitcher, capless fuel filler system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.